Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting proof and accessing the right tools. First, locate the infringing clip and note exact timestamps. Then gather your original files, metadata, and any registrations to show ownership. Once done, sign into the account that will file the claim and open the video's menu to report. Make sure to choose the copyright option. This triggers TikTok's takedown workflow. You're doing this to establish a clear chain of evidence, so the platform can act quickly and accurately. Next, you prepare and submit a DMCA-style notice through TikTok's copyright form. Explain who you are, why the content is yours, and list exact URLs or video ID. Be precise, because vagueness slows approvals. Then add a short statement of good faith belief and an electronic signature. Once submitted, monitor the email you provided. TikTok may ask for clarification or proof. If the uploader files a counter notice, make sure you have registration or additional documentation ready to strengthen your position. Finally, you follow up on outcomes. TikTok will remove the video, notify the uploader, or accept a counter notice, so stay alert. If the infringer files a counter notice, you may need to provide registration evidence or consult counsel to pursue a formal takedown. Make sure to document every response and timestamp each interaction. Those records matter if the issue escalates. Troubleshooting tip. If TikTok's response is unclear, reply asking for the specific reason and request a reevaluation or provide additional proof immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.